last thing you do is your master shower.
Yeah. I'll be doing that master bath the last thing the house needs. Because I'd like people to come in and enjoy my house. They're not going to enjoy my master bath. I will be.
Looks like that other bathroom is not good.
Yep.
So you're gonna replace all the carpet in the house?
I have to rip it up. The tile in the kitchen. I'll try to keep tile and regrout it. In the living area, all the rest of the stuff is carpet.
On concrete?
It's on concrete, I believe. So I rip up the carpet.
You lay it with flooring before?
Nope.
Live and learn. You figure it out. Home Depot,
Who was it that was doing it?
Rick Gray.
In Kansas City, mom's cousin. Tim? Larry? I remember they were doing it with two boys. Mom,
It would be
what's
Larry.
your-